Hi Amina, how are you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
I am great. What are you doing?
I am preparing online lessons.
Which academy do you learn English?
I learn English from Homa Academy.
How many months have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 4 months.
Your English is okay. May I join it?
Yes, you can join it.
How can I join it?
First of all, you need to register yourself at Homa Academy.
Can you tell me the address or the number of registration correct?
Yes, I can tell you. The Gmail address is homa2025@gmail.com and the number is 6833233122.
Is it always online?
Yes, it is always online. Even you can contact it homa2025@gmail.com or number of WhatsApp 6833233122.
Thanks for your helping me.
You are welcome anytime.